What's up, baby Cameron, baby Brycelyn? It is January 19th, a little after 3 p.m. Had a meeting canceled, so I decided that I needed to take care of some things. Plus, Facebook has been really crappy. Kind of crazy because yesterday it did well. I think because it was the holiday, the MLK holiday, profited about, I don't know, 4,700 bucks. Today's pretty bad because of the iOS 14 update. I'm guessing that's the reason why. And I think at the end of the day, it's probably going to profit like 500 bucks or probably even less than that. But anyways. It's besides the point. I just wanted to get something done. One of my New Year's resolutions was to increase the number of pull-ups that I could do. I think I only could do one, which is really, really sad. I have this pull-up bar here right now. I'm really looking forward to using it. Now, my goal is to do 10 by the end of the year, and I will make a disclaimer that I have increased my pull-up number before in the past, so it's not a goal that I have not achieved. When I was doing a P90X and I was playing basketball like 3 times a week, this was several years ago before having kids, I went from 2 pull-ups to like 15 pull-ups in 2 months. I stuck to the P90X thing like religiously until I sprained my ankle really bad before going on vacation. So anyways, I kind of fell off that, and I have not been doing any pull-ups. I've been running and stuff, but I have not been lifting weights or anything. And the pull-ups, my back's super weak. So my goal is to do 10 by the end of the year. I know that I can increase that a lot faster, but I just wanted to set a number there. So yeah, I'm showing that bars up there. And there are some other goals that I have for this year that I have not actually hit. Got Tony Robbins playing in the background. A couple goals, including hitting 10 million in revenue in 1 year from my own properties, not including other properties that I'm involved in. I actually have a goal for 12 million in revenue. So definitely going to aim to do that. I'm looking forward to that. And I will give an update on this pull-up bar. I haven't done one yet, but again, it's 10 by the end of the year. I'm excited. I'm pumped to get started on it. And in addition to having to deal with the crazy Facebook stuff that's going on, which is definitely affecting results, like I just mentioned. And we're about to get started on the pet niche, the pet niche subscription business. Looking forward to doing that. I'm going to be working on the website. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. But right there, baby. The pull-up bar. Yes. Let's go get it.